Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a fabulous evening. I'm here to tell you a little bit about ginger ale that I always drink when I don't feel good or when my stomach's upset. So I have this, well, like right now my throat's feeling a little scratchy. It's the weather change, I think. Like we go from having a 60-degree day in New York to having a 30-degree day, and like I feel like that always screws people up, especially me. So unfortunately, that's kind of just the way it is here. It comes with the territory of living here. So whenever I was sick when I was a little kid, like my mom would always tell me to drink ginger ale. It'll help you if you're having a tummy ache, and or if you even have a hangover, it works for that too. And Canada Dry is my favorite ginger ale. Not only is it great for like drinking when your stomach's upset, but it's just great to have in general because it tastes good. It's like a yummy soda. It's made with real ginger, and it makes really great drinks too. Like you could have this vodka ginger ale, or I did like old fashioned with it. So I did a little bit of simple syrup with a drop of ginger ale and some bitters, aromatic bitters. So it worked really well with that too. So this is since 1904, Canada Dry, made from real ginger. It's caffeine-free ginger ale, 100% with natural flavors. This is a 12 floral ounce or 355 milliliter can. It has 140 calories per can. And let's go to the side here. So it's caffeine free, nutrition facts, serving size 1 can. It is kosher, K for kosher, 140 calories per can. Percent daily value is listed on the right side. So total fat 0 grams, 0% daily value. Sodium 50 milligrams, 2%. Daily value. Total carbs 36 grams, 12% daily value. Sugars 35 grams, protein 0 grams. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Flip to the side here, it says consumer comments. There's the phone number you could call, 1-866-SAY-CDRY, or at canadadry.com you can find more information. Ingredients are listed right here. Ingredients are carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, sodium benzoate, preservative, natural flavors, caramel color, manufactured by a bottler under contract with Beverage Distribution Center Incorporated, Pensacola, New Jersey, 08110, under the authority of Dr. Pepper 7-Up, Incorporated, 5301 Legacy Drive in Plano, Texas, 75024. Copyright 2011, Dr. Pepper 7-Up, Incorporated. There's the barcode on the side, and it comes in this lovely green can, which, does it say on the bottom there? It's the expiration date. It's very easy to open. It's just a pull-up top, and don't forget to recycle your can. You deposit it for 5 cents, and I'm gonna pour some so you guys could see what it looks like. It's really tasty. Big difference between ginger ale and ginger beer. Pour some in this little cup right here. Nice and carbonated, bubbly, like a yellow caramel color. It does smell of ginger and the sugar sweetness, but it's really good. I know a lot of people will give this to their kids, like I said, when they have upset tummy. I like it for the carbonation. It just like feels good in your stomach. So like if you're having something that's hard to digest, I think it helps with that too. And I just love Canada Dry ginger ale. I think it's the best. I like Canada Dry and Schweppes sometimes, but I feel like Canada Dry is like more bubbly and has like a little bit more flavor to it. So overall, I guess that's why it's my favorite. And then it's the green can, so that always stands out. Canada Dry also makes other things, like they have a club soda, which I really, really like also as well. And it's just, I think it's awesome to just have in the house. I know my dad always had like a sour stomach sometimes, and like he would have this, and like Tums would always help with it. So I think it's great to have Canada Dry always in the house, because you just never know. And like I said, I'm not, like my throat's been hurting, and I think that it's just, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like when I drink the Canada Dry ginger ale, it helps a little bit with my throat, and it helps clear it up some. And maybe it's just me, but I swear by it. So this was Canada Dry ginger ale, guys, made with real ginger, 100% natural flavors. You could get this in, I believe, a 12 pack, or maybe even a bigger size, 18 or 24 if you'd like, just depends. and I believe they make this in bottles as well. I just prefer the cans for whatever reason. I don't know. Easier. That's what I'm used to, I guess. So that's my preference. But I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys try out some Canada Dry ginger ale. Thanks for watching.